Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 3.3 question number 2. Consider the following parallelograms. Find the values of the unknowns x, y and z. Here you see this is the parallelogram. This is x, this is y, this is z, this is 100. We know that in a parallelogram adjacent angles are supplementary, that is 180 degree. Since this is 100 degree, this is obviously 80 degree. Right, and you know that in a parallelogram opposite angles are equal. Therefore this is 100 degree, that means y is also 100 degree. Right, here also you see opposite angles are equal, therefore since this is 80 degree, this is z is also 80 degree. Right, in this way you can find the different angles. Let us solve here in this way. The solution of question number 1. This is the solution. Here you see the reason is x plus 100, x plus 100, x plus 100 degree is equal to 180 degree, 180 degree. Why? Because the reason is adjacent angles are supplementary. The reason is adjacent angles are supplementary. Adjacent angles are supplementary. That means 180 degree are supplementary. Right, now you can write here as x is equal to 180 degree minus 100 degree. Therefore we are getting x is equal to 80 degree. You see, we have written x equal to 80 degree. Now x and z are same because these are opposite angles. Therefore we can write that angle x is equal to angle z, and that is equal to 80 degree. What is the reason? Because in a parallelogram opposite angles are equal. The reason is opposite angles are equal. Angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. This is z. Now here you see y is equal to 100 degree. Y is equal to 100 degree. And y is equal to this angle. Right. The reason why y is equal to 100 degree? Because opposite angles are equal. The reason is opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. Right? This is the solution of question number 1. Now solve question number 2. Question number 2 here you say is, you solve question number 2. Question number 2 is, this is also a parallelogram. Here you see, in this case, since this is a parallelogram, the opposite angles will be equal. This is 50 degree, that means this is the opposite angle. That means this is also 50 degree. First you see how we are solving this problem. That means this is also 50 degree. Right? And here you see this angle plus this angle is a straight angle. Right? That means this is a linear pair. Since this is 50 degree, this z will be 130 degree. 130 plus 50, that is 180 degree. Right? Now here you see that this is 50 degree. This angle plus this angle is supplementary angles because this is a parallelogram. Right? Say this is 50, then this is also 130 degree. And in a parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. Therefore, since the x is opposite to y, therefore it is also 130 degree. This is a linear pair, right? Therefore, we are getting that is 50 degree, 130 degree, 130 degree, 30 degree. This is 50, and this is 130 degree. Now let us write in this way. First one, we'll find this one, that is y plus 50, y plus 50 degree is equal to 180 degree, right? Y plus 50 is equal to 180 degree, 180 degree, because this angle and this angle are adjacent angles, and we know that adjacent angles are supplementary. The reason is adjacent angles are supplementary. Adjacent angles, adjacent angles are supplementary, are supplementary. Adjacent angles are supplementary, right? Therefore, we will find that y is equal to 180 degree minus 50 degree. Therefore, we are getting y is equal to 130 degree. Now, this angle and this angle are opposite angles. Therefore, we can write that angle y is equal to angle x is equal to 130 degree. 130 degree. The reason is opposite angles are equal in a parallelogram. Opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. Angles are equal. Now here you see this angle plus this angle are supplementary angles, right? This angle plus this angle are supplementary angles. If you give the name here, this is x, that means x, y, z, this is suppose P, angle P. Suppose this is angle P. Suppose this is angle P. That means x plus P, angle x plus angle P is equal to 180 degree. 180 degree. Here you see, these are adjacent angles. X and P are adjacent angles, right? And we know that adjacent angles are supplementary. The reason is adjacent angles are supplementary. 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 That means 180 degree. The value of x is 130 degree. That we can write it here as 130 plus p is equal to 180 degree. Or you can write the value of p as 180 degree minus 130 degree, and that is equal to 50 degree, right? Here again we are repeating, that is y plus 50 degree is equal to 180 degree, because in a parallelogram adjacent angles are supplementary, right? Therefore, the value of y is equal to 180 minus 50, that is 130 degree. This is 130 degree. Opposite angles are equal in a parallelogram. Therefore, y is equal to x is equal to 130 degree because the opposite angles are equal. This is 130 degree. Right? Now, if we take this angle as P, this angle, right? Therefore, angle x plus P is equal to 180 degree. Angle x plus P is equal to 180 degree because adjacent angles are supplementary. Therefore, the value of x is 130 degree plus P is equal to 180 degree and P is equal to 180 minus 130, that is 50 degree. That is 50 degree. Right? If you find the value of z, we will find the value of z. Now here you see, this is 50, the value of z will be 130 because this is a linear pair, right? That is angle P. Angle P plus z is equal to 180 degree because this is a linear pair. Linear pair. Right? The value of P is 50 degree. That will be 50 degree plus z is equal to 180 degree, or the value of z is equal to 180 degree minus 50 degree. Therefore, the value of z is equal to 130 degree. Right? So we got the value y is equal to 130 degree, x is equal to 130 degree. If we take this angle as P and this is 50 degree and this value of z is 130 degree because P plus z is equal to 180 degree because this is a linear pair or angles in a straight line. Therefore, 50 degree plus z is equal to 180 degree or z is equal to 180 minus 50 degree, that is 130 degree. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.